Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about seepage failure. As you know that it is a major cause of dam or failure of dam. So it is the major cause of failure of dam. About 30 to 40% of failure, 30 to 40% of failure may occur due to this seepage failure. And the seepage failure, seepage through the dam body, or foundation may lead to the following reason, failure. These failures are because of piping. Second one is sloughing, and third one is structural failure. Yes. So we will study one by one. Let us go through the piping. So what is the piping? So piping it is the progressive erosion and removal of soil grain from the body or foundation of dam. Sometimes the hollow cavity may form. Hollow cavity may form in the core sand, due to which following water and erosion. So what happen? Sometimes hollow cavity may form in what place? In which place? Coarse sand, due to which flowing water and erosion of material may takes place. Due to which flowing of water, or we can say erosion may takes place. Erosion of material may takes place. And where it happen? Below the dam section. So this will create a problem in the dam, and it is due to the poor material. It is due to the poor material used in construction. Poor material, what is the reason? Poor material used in construction. And improper compaction, due to the improper compaction of material during construction of material. So, and one more reason is the animal burrows in the upstream and downstream, both side. So precaution should be taken in order to prevent this failure of piping. So what precautions we should taken into account to reduce the piping, this failure, the major failure? Number one is dry stone packing. So in this explanation, we can say the upstream face should be provided with well dry stone packing to prevent piping. Second one is compaction. Second one is compaction. So effectively compaction should be provided. Third one is length of the base. So the length of the base of dam should be having sufficient length of the base so that it provide adequate creep length. So fourth one is slopes. Proper slope should be maintained both in upstream and downstream side. Fifth one is layer of material. So these slopes should be layer of material. So the slope should be provided with a suitable layer of material to avoid the burrows from animal. This is it may be major reason if we not provide proper layer of material. So next problem is sloughing, which is liable to be cause the failure of dam. Sloughing. What is the sloughing? The downstream section of dam, as you know, is always saturated because water always seeps from the upstream to the downstream side. So the soil get erode. So erosion may take place. Soil get erode, which provide failing of soil mass. So due to which falling of soil mass may take place. And it is a chain reaction. means consecutively it may happen a reaction, and called sloughing. So these are the major causes of seepage failure. Thank you.